Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add person in Sketchup. To add person, you can go to 3D Warehouse, click at this icon, and will be show for 3D Warehouse dialog box, and you need to log in to open this 3D Warehouse. So you can search person in here, click search button, and go to model tabs, and you can see we have this a lot of persons. Like for example, I will add this person. You can click yes. Now we're waiting to downloading, and you can place into your SketchUp. So that's it, how to add person in SketchUp. To add the other, you also can click again in here, 3D Warehouse. Search for your models. Like I will insert this model. Click yes. And place in your drawing area. Okay, that's it, how to add person in SketchUp. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.